Hi guys, so today I'm going to be disassembling this frame grain top to get to the inside part so I can give it a good deep clean. Alright, so it's quite a pain in the butt to clean this type of bottle caps, but let's do it. First, remove the straw, that's easy. Then you get a tube cleaner, pipe cleaner to clean it. Put it aside. So we have to deal with this rubber. This type of top has a pop-up. There's a spring in here, we need to remove it. This rubber thingy goes all the way through the top. And there's the inside liner to remove. There's this little hole here we need to remove. So let's remove those first. Just using a knife to pop it out. If it doesn't want to pop out, you might need to get a chopstick. Poke it to the bottom and try to okay, so we got that out. Now let's remove this spring action thing. So if you don't, especially if you ignore to clean this part, lots of gunk can get in and it's going to be very gross. Let's tuck in the knife and pry open. Okay, this is good. Full. This one come out. Okay. Okay, for the springs. So you see what I mean? A lot of places for bacteria to hide and grow. I don't know if all the black stuff that goes in here. See, nice hole for it to grow. So get toothbrush, like something from Muji, to clean out inside. So the springs can be removed. Just careful, they're small, can go flying everywhere. Now the hard part is I had to figure out how to remove this thing so I can see all the scuff marks. So be careful. You need to first see this thing is catching here. Oh, hang on. Need to move this liner in here. Okay, so that's completely. So the only thing left to dismantle is this. So first we need to tuck this into the hole using a chopstick. Tuck it in. Okay. So now the catch is in. You can see this thing popped up. Now I'm going to wedge in like this spoon here to pop out this thing. But to do that, I need to tilt it, get one of the catch out of the sockets here by just pushing here. You can see it's at an angle now. So I put in like a teaspoon handle and pop it out. Okay, pop it out like that. Okay, it's out. Now I can have access to clean all these deep parts of the case. So that's completely disassembled. This part, you need to do more tucking in this way to get it out. So get your chopstick again, preferable a metal one. And that's how I dismantle it. So the pipe cleaner to get it all the way in. Give it a good clean because it's not circle, it's like flat. So yeah, and that's the mouth snout thing. So give it a good clean with these ones. All right, so let's move on to the next one, which is the pink, which I have two different frame green tops. So I'm going to pause, I'm going to stop here and then continue with the pink one. So the green one is actually the harder one. Okay, this frame green is easier. This is the pink one. So take out the straw, take out this straw holder. Can easily put it in the pipe cleaner, clean. Then you remove this thing, put in knife as I showed you before, put a knife, take it out, and then again with the snout piece is the trick is to just tip it to one side, then get in like a handle of teaspoon. Pop it out. Okay, it's just a bit narrow, so I need to use a knife. My goodness. And then you get that pipe cleaner again to clean this. Put it all the way through. The hole is big enough to fit this pipe cleaner. This is from Daiso, by the way. And then the only you must, if you just want clean like that, you know, your straw can go through. But see this part here? That's where all the bacteria can hide. So you need to get a good brush, like a tiny brush to get in here so you can clean these parts that's blocked by this case. So good idea to remove this to clean it. Okay, so that's that, and this is easier. So yeah, there you go, and thanks for watching. Oh, maybe I should put it back together. Okay, so this one goes in, push in, this one goes here. Okay, that's that. Put this back in. And then put this here. I already washed this, by the way. That's why it's wet. This one's a bit tricky because you see it will go in on the wrong orientation. So I need to line it up perfectly before I squash it in. Anyways, I'm gonna fix that later. I don't spend too long doing this. So that's that. And now the green one in my little plug here. This is actually how to put in there to take out. Okay, that's in. Yep, the springs are in here. This one's easy. Just push the springs in first, and then you pop it in. And then this one, let's see. So here, so this means it's gonna only go in this way, and then the snout goes in this way. So I have to go in like this. Tuck it in again. Okay, that's it. Oh, gotta do the bit. Oh, for the police out. Okay, so it should work now, I think. Gross. Okay, this thing is like a dust magnet. Okay, and then finally, to put in that bit, oops, I forgot to put the straw holder. Straws, and that's it. Thanks for watching.